Jimmy back here on the King Shaka channel, and I have another video for you today. As you can tell by the thumbnail, my truck is broken right now, and it's not really too serious, so it's a good thing. I got a part right here. It's the transmission cooler line. The one on my truck's all rotted out, and it started to get a leak. And I'm going to show you, we're going to fix it down the road today. It should be really quick and simple, and just hopefully stop leaking after we put this new part on. So let's go get that started, and hope you enjoy the video. Alright guys, as you can see, I got the truck pulled up in the garage here. We're going to fix this trans-cooler line, come under here. And you can see over here where I'm talking about, these trans-cooler lines, they run here. One goes there, one goes here. And for the most part, I'm only going to be replacing this one for now. Just because this is the one that's cracked real bad. You can see it's all wet. My finger's getting trans fluid on it. So this one, I'm going to give it a little longer until I replace that one, since that one's a little more entailed and the line goes here and it runs back a little bit. Whereas this one that is cracked and rusty real bad, it has just a clip and a hose, so that one's really easy to change out. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'll let the other one go for now. But yeah, we'll get started on this. So my goal is to do this without making a giant mess. So I'm going to take a pair of vice grips and I'm going to pinch this off right here so that stuff doesn't come leaking out of it. Alright, and so next I'm going to put my wrench on here and try to unloosen this just so that it's ready to go when I'm taking it off. I actually decided to throw my vice grips over it because the fitting was spinning out. So now I can hopefully take my wrench and get it off. Alright guys, so I want to show you something crazy that I couldn't get that thing off, and I didn't want to break the plastic radiator, so I just cut the line right here and I'm throwing it in the vise so I have more room to really work and get leverage on it now. So if you're having that problem, it's not really worth it to go try to rip it out of the radiator, because you could take the whole housing with you and then you need a radiator. So I just snipped it and let it hang. So we're replacing it anyway, not a big deal. Just like that, I got this old thing out, rusty, and so we see here in Jersey, a lot of stuff like this doesn't like to come off, so you gotta find creative ways to do it without destroying a lot of other parts. Okay guys, so I got the line, new one, dangling in on the one side. So now my last step is to come over to the other side and pinch that little clip with pliers and take the old one out, and then quickly put the new one in before I lose a lot of fluid. And should be pretty much buttoned up. I'll just clip it back in here, so we'll get that done real quick. Job's complete. Got the new line in there, and I'm gonna go give it a test drive and see if it leaks. Hopefully not. If I need to top it off a little bit, I will. So we'll go from there, see how it does. Alright guys, that's gonna conclude today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, stick around. Consider sticking around, because I do a lot of work on my 7.3 and a lot of other stuff like Cummins engines and stuff. So definitely do that. As you can see though, today's video, it wasn't that bad of a job. It took me maybe a half hour, and it was just more trying to get that fitting out. That was the hardest part. But I definitely think that this is doable for anybody if you have a leaky trans-cooler line. I just showed you how to do it. So definitely it's capable of tackling it by yourself. I got a little messy, as you can see, but really the job's not hard. So with that, I'm going to let you go and have a good day, and I'll catch you in the next video.